So now we're up to question 4, part A. So we've got the polynomial px equals x cubed plus rx squared plus sx plus t, where r, s, and t are all real numbers, and it has real zeros or roots, 1, alpha, and minus alpha. So the first part of the question is to find the value of r. So when you think of polynomials in the 3-unit level, you should normally think of the sum of the roots, the product of the roots, and that's pretty much it, okay? So since we've got r is the coefficient of the x squared. So I think we should consider the sum of the roots one at a time. So for part I, we know that the sum of the roots, so we'll call it alpha I, is given by minus b over a, where b and a are the coefficients of x squared and x cubed respectively, okay? So the sum of the roots is 1 plus alpha plus minus alpha, and we know our coefficient of the x squared is obviously r, and our a is 1. So now that alpha minus alpha is 0, we know that 1 plus 0 equals minus r. R then must equal minus 1. And there's the first part of the question done. So now we need to find the values of s plus t. Find the value of s plus t. So what I think we should do is we should actually find the values of s and t individually and then add them together. So for the second part, we'll start with t because we know that t will be related to the product of the roots. And that is given by minus d over a. So again, we're going to multiply the roots that we were given, so alpha and minus alpha. This is equal to minus d, which is minus t, and then a, which is again 1. So doing all this, we get that minus alpha squared equals minus t, hence alpha squared equals t. Alright, and lastly, we're going to consider now to find s. So s is obviously the sum of the roots 2 at a time. So now we go that alpha bi, alpha j equals c over a. So now we'll do 1 times alpha plus 1 minus times minus alpha plus alpha times minus alpha equals c, which is now s, over a, which is 1. So now doing all this, we get alpha minus alpha squared equals s. Now again, they cancel. We got minus alpha squared equals t. S. But again, look here. We've got alpha squared, and t was alpha squared. So we'll just replace alpha squared with t and s. And then we'll add t to the other side. 0 equals s plus t. And what do you know? We've already found it without even trying. S plus t then equals 0.